So welcome everyone to Paris, the most beautiful city in the world.
Yeah.
So we are here today, well, mythical place between the Tour Eiffel, of course, and the Trocadero. And I'm happy to welcome you. Please introduce yourself.
Thanks a lot, Johan. Pleased to meet you today, and good morning, everybody. So my name is Jean-Philippe Debiol. I work for IBM since now 18 years. I spent 12 years in Europe, 3 years in Asia, in Singapore, and 2 years in US, in New York. And basically I'm leading everything around cognitive system, analytics, big data, in order to bring to our customer innovation and disruption. And this is really what I'm doing every day now, since now many years, especially in the banking industry and insurance industry.
Okay, and so here we are in front of the Tour Eiffel, which is just disruptive symbol
Absolutely.
of innovation. What is new in the technological landscape?
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Johan. It's just amazing because things are happening so fast now. It's really about innovation and disruption. Let me tell you something. In March 2016, the World Economic Forum happened in Davos like every year. And basically the outcome of Davos was to say basically that we have entered already in what we call the fourth industrial revolution.
Yes.
And this fourth industrial revolution is a combination of many drivers, and one of them is not the only one, but one of them is what we call artificial intelligence. And if I have to summarize what they said, Davos in March 2016 is about the fact that we have already entered in this revolution. It's about disruption, it's about really innovation.
Okay, and so what are the use cases you're working on?
So if I have to summarize a little bit in the financial services industry,
okay,
we are working mainly in 3 big domains. The first domain is really around how we can change everything around what we call the customer experience.
Yes.
So it's all about how to create a dialogue between the machine and the customer in order to interact with the customer, to dialogue with the customer in what we call natural language. And it's really about digitalization and disruption in this specific domain. The second big domain where we are bringing disruption is all around the advisory process. So basically it's about the fact to be able to bring to the customer a better advice, better service, leveraging a combination of different technologies, which are on one side the cognitive part, Watson, on the second part predictive capabilities, which is about advanced analytics, and the third one, which is about prescription, which is around how to give the actionable insight to the customer. And all this domain is very interesting for our customer because a cognitive system leveraged by AI is able not only to bring the recommendation, but also to bring all the rationale, all the facts which are behind the recommendation. So what I mean is, finally, I am able to say to somebody why I think that doing that is a good thing to do for this specific person. And the last domain is around risk and compliance, where we are working a lot now because many customers are challenging us and telling us, guys, with Watson, what you can do something new in this specific domain around how can I ensure that what I am doing is compliant with regulation, international, national, internal, audit, and so on. And this is again the third big domain where we are working on.
So what is the major lever for innovation in your approach?
So I think that it's a paradox, but because one side is really the technology, because if I have to summarize, we are able to do today things which we were not able to do at least 5 years ago, so things are doing so fast, and we need to appropriate, to understand what we can bring on the table with these new technologies. But it's not the main thing. The main thing for me is about human being. Why? Because, to be short with you, we are talking about AI as artificial intelligence, but we should talk about AI as augmented intelligence. What I mean by that is to put the human being in the center of everything we do. And it's not just about marketing or words, it's about a fact. These systems are learning from us, and this is a combination between the machine and the human being, which is today bringing something new. It's not about machine is replacing human being, it's all about how to be able to leverage this cognitive system to augment, enhance, help, assist human being. Human being can be the end customer, can be the banker, can be the insurer, can be somebody else, but it's really about a combination between the system and the human being.
maybe a quote to the end to finish.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have a quote which is not from me, so I want to be very honest and again crystal clear with you, but I love this quote, which is basically saying that the steam machine is for the muscle what cognitive system will be for the brain. And this sentence is very nice because it is illustrating how destructive and how deep is this current transformation that we have with cognitive system.
Wonderful. It seems like a new day is raising.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
Johan.
I want to thank you very much for this interview and have a nice day.
Johan, thanks a lot, and thanks a lot everybody for your attention,
Yeah.
and enjoy your day in Paris or somewhere else. Bye.
Wonderful. Thank you.